I want to move on from the story of Assam to the story from Uttar Pradesh that's also made headlines today, because here in West UP's Bagpat district, which is actually the constituency of Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh, there is a Khap Panchayat which has issued a Taliban-style diktat saying that A, there won't be any love marriages allowed, women cannot own mobile phones, women under 40 for some particular reason cannot go out after sunset and cannot own mobile phones. My colleague Alok Pandey was there today. This is his report.
Uttar Pradesh's Asra village, barely 100 kilometers from the national capital. But for the media, it has been almost impossible to get inside. Hostile locals don't want cameras here. That's after the local panchayat decided to enforce its own Taliban-style moral code of conduct. So women below the age of 40 cannot own a cell phone, say the wise village elders. They also cannot visit the weekly market and leave their homes after sunset. An attempt by the local police to arrest those who organized the panchayat resulted in violence on Thursday night, with the police vehicle being set on fire. The police have now registered a case of rioting against 10 people. The situation here at this village is still very tense. In fact, more so for media persons. We've been told specifically not to take our cameras inside and go. But we've managed to meet a lot of people inside off camera and a few people here who were willing to talk to us on camera. Now, as incredible as it may sound, all of them seem to suggest that whatever decisions the panchayat took were right.
ये कारण इसमें माहौल बिगड़ता जा रहा है। सिर्फ ब्याह है कारण तो इसका और गांव का माहौल खराब होता है।
आप लोग जो पंचायत में फैसला हुआ है उसके साथ हैं?
हाँ जी, उनके सहमत हैं। जो उन्होंने कहा उनके लिए हम गांव के सभी जो परिवार मान के चले हैं तो परिवार के साथ में जुड़ के चलेंगे जी, इससे बाहर नहीं चलेंगे।
The village falls within the constituency of Union Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh. The minister has refused to comment all day. However, there was widespread criticism from elsewhere.
पंचायत के फैसले को आम जनता को भी मानने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है और राज्य सरकार को इन पंचायतों से बात करके या तो इन्हें भंग कर देना चाहिए जिस तरह के खाप पंचायत कर रहे हैं.
It is really outrageous and I really believe this is a national shame.
For now though, the village panchayat seems to be in no mood to take back its orders, which means that an already tough life for the women of this village just got tougher. With Tanima Biswas in Delhi, in Uttar Pradesh's Bagpat district, with camera person Sudhesh Ram, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
So is there a lack of political will to take on Khap Panchayats? That's the other question that we're asking tonight. I'll take that question first to Kokab Hamid, who's a senior leader from the RLD, from the party that Mr. Ajit Singh belongs to. He's the former tourism minister of Uttar Pradesh and he joins us tonight live from Bagpat. Hamid साहब, आप हमें समझाइए इस खाप पंचायत ने ये जो फैसला किया है औरतों के बारे में, इसका एम क्या है, ये क्यों किया है?
मैम, पहले एक बात साफ कर दीजिए कि खाप पंचायत ने फैसला नहीं किया है, कोई खाप पंचायत वहां नहीं हुई है
जी। तो ये पंचायत का फैसला है?
नहीं जी, नहीं, मैं पहले पूरी बात समझा दूं आपको। खाप पंचायत नहीं, वहां असारा गांव के अंदर कोई खाप नहीं है, किसी खाप पंचायत की वहां बैठक नहीं हुई है। वहां जो बैठक हुई है वो सामाजिक संगठन की हुई है और जैसे यहां कहा जाता है कि 36 बिरादरी ने मिलकर ये पंचायत करी है, जो समाज की गलतियां हैं, जो जिससे दिक्कत उस गांव के अंदर आ रही है, उसको रोकने के लिए करी है। किसी खाप पंचायत ने ये नहीं करी
जी। तो अब जो उन्होंने फैसला लिया है कि गांव के अंदर लव मैरिज नहीं होगा, जो 40 साल की उम्र से कम औरतें हैं वो मोबाइल फोन नहीं रख सकती, वो सनसेट के बाद बाहर नहीं जा सकती, आपको क्या लगता है ये सही है?
नहीं, पहले पूरी बात देखनी पड़ेगी। असारा एक गांव है जिसकी आबादी तकरीबन 8-10 हजार होगी, 10-12 हजार होगी। तो वहां उन्होंने फैसला ये किया है कि जिस लड़की को या औरत को मोबाइल की जरूरत नहीं है, मोबाइल वहां किससे बात करिए, उससे पहले बात नहीं करती थी, उसे खामा खां वो मोबाइल ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो ओन करे मोबाइल फॉर नो रीजन वे इट इज नॉट नीडेड, वो ना करे।
But what does that
ये
mean?
कहा है
But
दूसरा
Hamid Sahab, what does that
नहीं,
mean?
जी।
Please explain. It's very hard for us to understand. Why can a woman in the village there not own a mobile phone? Why
No, ma'am.
why should anybody be telling her not to have one?
No, we are debating on something जो अभी तक तय नहीं हुआ। अभी उन्होंने एक बात कही है, क्योंकि वहां दिक्कतें आई हैं, वहां ऐसी दिक्कतें आई हैं जो नेचुरली मुझे टीवी पे कहने के लिए मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मगर वहां गांव वालों को दिक्कतें आई होंगी जब भी उन्होंने फैसला किया है। ये मजबूरी के खामा लोग, उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि आप मोबाइल न रखें।
बट मजबूरी क्यों है? Is it, I mean,
मजबूरी ये है।
Hamid Sahab, you're obviously an educated man. You think it's okay to say that women under 40 should not go out after sunset? What is the logic in that?
No, the logic is that in a village, when 5 or 6 girls run away from the village, it becomes a matter of prestige. Yes, it does. And it will remain.
As an educated politician, you're justifying that. You're justifying. I mean, this is what honor killings are all about. This is how they stem, don't they?
No, I'm not.
You're an educated politician. How can you support this?
No, it has got nothing to do with the honor killing. It is a local problem which all people. It was no khap. It was not one community. It is all communities sat together, and because there was a problem, they decided to solve that problem.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.